What's up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz from the AUDIOZONE channel, man. Here, welcome you to another day, another video to you guys. First of all, I want to give you guys thanks for the support that you guys are giving us, man. We're on our way to 15. From 15, we're going to 20K, man. Thanks to you guys for the support. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe on these videos, man. If you have any comments, they're always welcome, man. So, you know, do what you got to do. But today, I want to bring a very, very, very special car, man, to the shop. It's a car that came to us from Florida. He's been reaching out to me for about 2 months. He wanted to get his car built. Had a lot of people that wanted to do it for him. He saw our videos, he contacted me, had a lot of questions for me. We were able to supply those questions for him. Today he got here with his car. So it could be a HELLCAT, 2016. He's actually a disabled vet. He's an older guy. He didn't want to be on the camera, guys, because he didn't want to put his face out there, but you know, he's a disabled vet. Who knows what he did in the military, because he didn't want to put his face out there, right? But long story short, he had the car and he said, you know what, I've talked to a lot of shops, I've talked to a lot of people, I feel comfortable with you, I'm bringing the car. He drove here from Florida, brought us the car. We have the car here now, and I'm gonna kind of walk you through what the building process is going to be on this car. So this is his 2016 HELLCAT. He's already upgraded the hood to have the red eye hood on the vehicle, but he wanted to give it the wide body look. So let me show you what's going on right now. We got a Dopo getting the kit that he has and mounting it to the vehicle, getting all the mock-ups ready to be able to get the installation done. We're gonna do the wheel spacer, we're gonna do the front diffusers, we're gonna do the wide body kit, but the whole kit's gonna be installed in the vehicle. So Gordo right now is actually doing the mock-up of the parts to make sure that everything's fitting right, and it can be an easier build to put together. So you plan the job, then you execute the job. So right now he's planning the job. He's getting the car parts to fit and get everything to match up, and then from there we'll get the actual real build on it. But you can see right now we are in the process of mocking it all up, putting all the panels in place. When they go, they're all loose, they're not tightened on yet, and you can see that he's coming all the way around. He's mocking up the whole vehicle. Do the next part, which is actually install the flares to the vehicle after all the paint and body work has been done. So stay tuned. If we get this car, we're gonna get the mock-up, we're gonna drop off these pieces, get everything situated for him, get the car built and have it done for him in a few days. That's the other thing we have. We only have a few days to knock out this car because he's in from out of town. He stayed in the hotel. We gotta make this a quick build, y'all. So stay tuned if we get this car going, man. And thank you, Louis, for the business that you're giving us on your HELLCAT. Good morning, Cruise Crew, man. It's another day, man. Continuing on this video of the black wide body from Florida. I just got out of King Tony Snow's car back there, man, but could show y'all something. We had to do something special for this dude. He actually came in from out of town, so we actually got this car. And right now, Gordo came in yesterday, day off, and actually got this whole thing done. So this was done complete, which means we have the lower chin added to the vehicle. We have the wide body parts here, but now it looks like an original wide body. He actually went and glued all this yesterday, got all this stuff here situated yesterday, so that the customer could take this car by Friday like he's supposed to. He's taking it actually Thursday because he leaves Friday morning, so he'll be taking it this afternoon. But Gordo got this pretty much ready to go. We'll do some little extra touches for the guy, as you can see. But one thing I do want to do is I do want to get these little things here done for him brand new again, because they don't look too good, and to give him a couple little updates before he takes the car. So right now, look at the static of the vehicle. Got a couple more things to do, and I'll bring it to y'all shortly. So on this black one here, man, you see that it's nothing there. They took out the badges because I just painted him. They were looking like a pink color. We just actually got them painted for him, so they actually look good. And I removed those stickers in the back, and they looked hideous that he had back here. In fact, guy, we're moving the other side. I'm gonna show you what it looked like, but we're gonna go for a cleaner look. I just took it off too, but that's, you know, just a little detail we're doing for this guy to help him out, man, give him a little touch. But we're definitely gonna get this car situated for the guy. So right now we got that done, let everything dry up, and hopefully everything comes out good and gets it delivered. Alrighty, so here we go. My guy is over here finishing. What you doing right now, Gordito? Putting the finales, right? The finales, man. This is gonna be coming out. We got those stickers out there for you, Mr. Lewis, because we didn't want to take you out like that, but yeah. But that's already done. He's gonna finish the car up shortly, and you'll be going back to the FL, y'all. So stay tuned. If we keep on getting this one rocking and rolling, I'm gonna do the wheel spacers on this. I've updated his badges. We're gonna make them nice and red. They were really faded like a pink color, and this should be ready to roll shortly. Cruise Crew, so at this point in time, this one is already signed, sealed, and delivered, almost ready to go, man. He got the wide body, got the spacers on, as you can see, they're already installed, billet, all ready to go. Because this car should be out of here very shortly, man. He can be very stoked, man. We got the stance on it right, the whole kit's on the car. We're just letting it dry, but he'll be able to pick this up. I did remove the stickers, Lewis. I know you're gonna be mad at me, but I didn't like the way it looks, so I took my own decision. I'm about to put these logos back here, and that one should be done. Cruise Cruise on the Florida build, man. We're on the final day. We got the customers already in the front waiting for her. But before I gave it to them, man, I had the car washed up. As you can see, I got it over here. Bodie's actually cleaning the bad boy up, give him a nice clean delivery. But I'm gonna show you guys what we did to her. He came in, he wanted a wide body. There she goes. Installed. In fact, I'm gonna give you the closeness so you can see actually how that came out. Perfect. Look at that, y'all. Come to the back one. Perfect. Everything on her came out good. I know he'll be very happy, man, to see that we upgraded these badges for him. They were looking kind of bad. I got rid of those stickers that were back here before. I didn't like it. I know it's not my car, but I had to give it my touch. I took care of that. I ordered some other stuff to make it up to date, but they're getting it situated, man, so Louis can get ready to drive out to Florida and enjoy his baby with the wide body kit on. They're finalizing the details of it, and we should have the car delivered in a few minutes, y'all. So we're just grateful to be able to do these cars and these builds for these people, man. Thank you guys all for the support y'all give this channel, which is allowing us to do these things, y'all. So let's get the customer's reaction and we turn this car. Cruise Crew, at this point in time, we're getting to the final setup on this beautiful build that we got from Florida, man. Definitely want to thank the customer for coming out here. A little shy for the camera, man, but I'm gonna let y'all just get a quick view of him and know exactly what it was. Brought the car from Florida, saw us on YouTube, brought the car. You're gonna get to see his baby today. Just had it cleaned for him, so it's nice and pretty. He's about to take off right now and head back home to Florida. So like a long ride, but we're glad we're able to serve him. I'm gonna introduce you to him in a few seconds. Actually, the car, Mr. Lewis, real quick, man. Then we got his wifey right here. They are here from out of town, so I got a question for you. Okay. Are you excited to see it?
I am excited.
Are you supportive to your husband for it?
Yes, I am. I'm ready.
You are ready. You born ready.
I'm
well,
ready.
Guess what? We're gonna have the reveal in a few seconds here, man. This is them. Car coming around the block. Well, anything you want to tell the camera before we bring your car to you?
This is the best place to come.
You've been happy?
Your car.
Do you like Texas? That's my question.
Yeah, I like Texas.
I love Texas. I wish we had the beaches, but I love Texas.
But I like Florida better.
Yeah. Man, I came from Florida. I could agree and disagree at the same time because I do love Florida. There's something I love about Texas more. But I don't like the cold. That's what I don't like from Texas. Everything else I like from Texas. I like the money in Texas too. It's better than the Florida money. That I will tell you. It's a whole different ballgame, man. The traffic, I understand that, but we got a lot of people, but it's also a lot more people moving around, so it becomes a bigger build. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people come around and get to see it, but right now, I want you to come through here slowly, and I want to see your reaction as you see your car.
Oh man, that looks good.
That's your baby. That we just came in. This is her right here. We just had her cleaned out. That used to be a regular car. Now she ain't the same no more.
Nope.
Now she got the wide body on it because she got some thickness too. Now she's thick. Now she's a thick girl. You know what I'm saying? But she's all good to go, man. Want to walk you through it so you understand. Everything was done. Obviously, you got your chin, the original wide body chin, not the aftermarket. You got the flares original from the dealership. This is actually the aftermarket kit that you had, but she is all signed, sealed, and delivered and ready to go back home to Florida. So now you came with one car and you took home another. What is your reaction to this?
This is nice. I like it.
How are you feeling, Mr. Lewis?
Real good
He's short for words, y'all, but we're gonna try to get something out of him. How are you feeling?
This is just awesome, man. If you have a dream of having the wide body without being extremely crazy, come right here. It looks just like it. When I went to the dealerships, this is exactly how it looks from the factory. I wanted to get a wide body first, but
awesome job. You did a good job.
I'm happy I made AUDIOZONE and he made it happen.
No, we all good, man.
That is just
we want to be grateful for y'all coming out here, giving us a chance to serve y'all. I got it cleaned up for y'all to take your road trip, but thank you guys. They were here for a week waiting for the car. Now they're gonna go on home. Mama could go do what she has to do. Papa could do what he has to do. But while she's working now, Papa's out on the streets playing with this. I guarantee you, if Papa's not home, he out there playing with his new car, man. So you know what? We're definitely grateful you gave us a chance to do this for you. We got it cleaned up. I know y'all got a long trip. I'm gonna let you guys go. If you have any questions or concerns, just feel free to let us know. We're definitely here to serve you, not just today, but anything that you guys ever need, man.
Hey,
we're gonna end y'all.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
You're wonderful, man. You're wonderful. I appreciate the love,
we Spanish out here. We do hugs, man.
You did exactly what you said you was gonna do.
Well, that's what
you did it actually earlier than what you was gonna do.
Well, you know what? what?
We
When we
appreciate that.
talked, I put my hands on deck. I put team on deck. Let's get it going. That guy right there, Adolfo, he was the champion that worked out your car.
Appreciate it, Adolfo.
He actually came in on his day off.
I see him on the videos every
He
now and
came
then.
on his day off, which is Wednesday, to do this for you because you guys could leave today. So shout out for him for doing that, man.
appreciate
We
it.
want to always thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for the love y'all giving the channel, man. It's a great thing to be able to do things for people, turn their dreams into reality, man. So we're grateful for that. Y'all be good and God bless.
Wow.